Tired of losing money in the markets by trusting, or perhaps you simply want to learn how to take control of your financial future? Then look no further than LiveTraders.net. We specialize in helping inexperienced as well as experienced traders and investors successfully navigate the stock market through the use of technical analysis, chart reading, and proper money management techniques. Why earn 6% a year before fees and expenses when you could potentially earn more than 10 times that by taking control of your financial future? What separates LiveTraders.net from everyone else in the financial industry is that we put our money where our mouth is and trade our own capital live each and every day for our clients to see. For more information, call LiveTraders.net at 714-926-2866 or email us at www.livetraders.net. Tired of losing money?
Hey guys, just wanted to give you a quick update on this AAVL trade that I traded on Friday. A lot of you asked for the trade review. So here's a trade review of AAVL. Basically what you see here, and this is what I absolutely love, this type of pattern, and I'll go over it because what I love about it is right over here, as you see, this stock opened up and it took out the high, but immediately you see that with the volume immediately just failed to make any bullish move up here. And basically what I'm looking at for this volume to be taken out, and then I'm looking at this part right here to take out, for me to start the first position. That'll be my starter position. So I go here, I start a first position, and then I'm looking at this right here, consolidation. Okay, I'm looking at all rallies are being weakened. Look at the volume. As you can see, the volume here, you're not getting any volume here. You're not getting any volume here on the buy side. So that's a good news. Buy side volume is weak. Sell side volume is increasing. I want to short this. Right over here. I take a second position right here. That's my short position. That's also what I call is add and reduce, and this is what we go in depth in professional trading strategy course for livetraders.net. I short here, I move my stop right here. Now I'm watching here, as you see, got the volume here. I want this volume to hold, and what I see is a small rally, and I get this volume. This volume is a little bit, as you can see, a little bit concerning to me, but it doesn't really does anything, right? It doesn't do anything. And also we talk about the pivots. It's very important to understand what pivots do. This is not a pivot yet. This hasn't pivoted yet. And what happens once this gets taken out? You note I don't take a position under this green bar. I want this 9 MA to decline. As it declines right here, I see this volume that comes up right over here, and I'm looking at this volume now. I'm looking at this volume. If this volume gets engulfed, that means this is gonna be stopped right over here. This may get stopped right here. Well, guess what? We get consolidation here. Look at this volume right here. Bam, there's another third position. Now the stop moved to right over here. Now this becomes a significant pivot. Now this was a pivot. This is a pivot. Very, very important to understand what makes a significant pivot. And bam, you get the volume right over here. You get the volume right over here. Big volume right here. That's where I take targets. However, I'm going to show you on stock trades, I commented as I took targets. This trade was called live in the room. As I took targets here, I commented, I said, this thing still looks lower. Let's take a look at it. Here it is. I commented here as a quick trade review of AVL with charts, order entry, and stops. And we trade this well in the room, and I talked about it. I said, still has room to fall. I already took target. This is what I posted right here. The targets were taken, and here we go. So just wanted to bring it to your attention how this trade panned out. I also traded. I'll show you what I've traded on this day as well. I've also traded if I can get this thing going. If I also traded, I also traded FIT, which is fit, and this was also, I put the entry and exit, and this trade was very simple, guys. This trade was very simple. This stock gapped up. It has been it obviously after the gap down, we've been languishing right here. I got a nice little volume 5 minutes bar. This is what I call a power bar in 5 minutes. Got a nice little 5-minute bar right here, what we're seeing here is a little bit of flagging right here, stopped right here, and then this consolidation right here. As you can see, I got one order right here, took a small position here with the stop, and consolidation. I thought about adding it. I didn't really feel too good with the market. I just let it ride. Could have added. This is a beautiful area to add. If you wanted to add, this was a beautiful area to add. I had a good day going already with the AAVL, as you saw. I just let it ride. Bam! It went all the way up here. It pulled back. I moved my stop right here at 44 bucks. It didn't, and next time it failed to rally, then I took a stop under this. So it's also a little bit of a management lesson as well, how to manage your entries as well. So hope this is helpful. And if you're interested, livetraders.net, that's a room, that's what we do. I'll show you what the room looks like, and this is also one of the live trades that we took in the room.